Widespread flooding has wreaked havoc across at least 12 states. Rescue and cleanup continue across Tennessee after deadly flash floods left survivors stranded on rooftops. More than 7 inches of rain fell in just 3 hours in parts of the state. And in Madison, firefighters rescued a sleeping 5-week-old baby from her family's attic. They had taken shelter there to escape the water rapidly rising into their homes. You could hear the shock in the father's voice.
Next thing you know, we're in the attic trying to get the babies upstairs. It's hard. It's scary. You don't know what the water's going to do. So just lose it all.
In South Central Missouri, rescue teams search for a 23-year-old whose car was swept up in a flash flood Tuesday. The floods have claimed the lives of at least 1 woman and 1 child.